Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today, yes, it is still all about the Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. Now, for those of you all who have been having issues with the hole punch in the Galaxy Note 10, listen, we got a solution for you guys. We found some wallpapers that's going to take care of that issue, right? Now, I pulled the wallpaper off of the Google Play Store. The name of it is called Wallpix with an X, Note 10 punch hole wallpaper, and it also has some other wallpapers as well, 4K wallpapers, but they are all nice. Now let's go ahead and let's check these wallpapers out, and I will leave a link in the description down below where you guys can go find this wallpaper. All right, now I got it right here. Let's tap off into this. I was so excited to find this just till I get okay with this hole punch. I needed to find something that was going to help me get through it. Now here we got a few of them to choose from. We're going to check out a couple of them, right? And you let me know what you think. First off, let's check out Iron Man. We're going to set that one, and we're going to set it only to the home screen, right? And then we're going to go back and we're going to check it out. There you go. You see that hole punch right there? It looks a lot better to me. I'm loving it, but let's go in. Let's check out another one. And the one I want to check out was Spider-Man. Let's check out and see what Spider-Man did with this one. Let's set it. Home screen. Come on now, home screen. There we go. Nice red. This isn't bad at all. I thought it was a good look. I thought it took care of the issue. Kind of blends into it well. Let's check out a couple of more before we go off and check out something else. Let's go back. Which one should we check out? Let's scroll through some of these just to get an idea of what they have to offer. How about Krillin? Krillin looks pretty nice. It's a dark black wallpaper that's going to help on your battery life. Not bad. I thought the developers did a really good job with these wallpapers, right? Nice, nicely done. Let's go back in. Let's check out one more. I like this Pac-Man. I like the one-eyed man right there. This one here is a nice wallpaper. This jumper with the guy in the background. Not bad. Not bad. The guys did really good with this wallpaper. And some of them are just going to be dark in that area. So let's check out one more, which I thought was pretty nice. There we go. Now, this should be nice. Not bad. If you're looking for a black wallpaper and you want to extend your battery life, then this one would be it. So I thought this was pretty nice, people. I thought it was pretty nice. Of course, I need for you to hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. Let's do one more. Let's do a fun one. This was pretty cool. I thought it was fun. Home screen. There we go. Not a bad look. And this is free. You don't have to pay for these wallpapers at all. I thought that was pretty cool. Now, here are some other wallpapers that you can check out. You get Wallpix Original. You can go through there. It's going to have a lot of the wallpapers that we just went through. And Abstract. You got AMOLED. You got animals, beach, bikes, city. Whatever you decide to do, they got plenty of wallpapers for you all to check out, which I thought was pretty cool. Let's check this one out. This is deep. I like this one. Really brings out the display on this Galaxy Note 10. This is nice, people. This is nice. Now, if you want to, you can also go here and find the ones that are hot. And evidently, these are all the ones that are hot. We just kind of recently went through some of these already. But they look like they got some nice 4K wallpaper that would be nice for the Galaxy Note 10. All right, let's go back in. And also, if you want to, you can save your favorites. Just hit the heart. And then if you want to go back and forth through those wallpapers that you have saved, then you can. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.